Meaning of de facto.
De facto.
De facto.
De facto.
De facto. The term de facto means something that exists in fact or reality, even though it may not be officially recognized or established by law. It refers to a situation or circumstance that is accepted and considered to be true, even if it is not formally acknowledged. This term is commonly used in legal and political contexts to describe situations where the practical outcome or effect of a decision or action is more important than the official or prescribed version. In essence, de facto refers to a state of affairs that is based on reality rather than on theoretical or legal principles.